how to get the film tape in Animal Company. The stuff you need is an MRE, ray gun, and a board. And the key, because we're not going to do the house part. I don't feel like it. So quickly get the key real quick. Key. And please enjoy this fire music, because you're going to have to get used to it. Go to the mountain. Once you're at the mountain, get your snowboard, and go down this hill. By the way, this is going to take a while, so just be patient. And get your regular and switch it on to blue. I do this because I don't feel like putting in the effort. Also, the fact this is a lot easier than doing the other way. Just get over here and make sure you use the ray gun to get here. And once you're over here, personally I don't use the ray gun to help. Oh shoot, I'm gonna send you. Okay, down like that. Get into this tunnel. That's the main thing. You're gonna be confused here. Oh shit, I took the right or left? Take the left. Always take the left over the right. The left is easier, and also you probably won't die from it. I'm going down here. That. Boost. Now you're here! And once you get here, you want to go in that container that has all the blue sparkles coming out of it. There it is! That's the tape. And also the MRE just in case you use too much of your health. There you go. Now let me go back home real quick and that's it. That's pretty easy. Okay. Oh man. Oopsie. Oh, I freaking suck. There you go. And that's how you get this tape. So like if you're in like a public or anything and you want to watch the videos or go into the end credits, you use this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and night out.